Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Speaking of our channel, as some of you might have noticed, I've decided to change the name of our channel to the Ericsson family, as this is very much a family project and a family hobby, and I couldn't do this without the help of my kids and the loving support of my wonderful wife. So thanks guys, this is for you. In today's video, we're taking a look at our progress in this series of rebuilding Glumsfield, and we've come a long way these last couple of weeks. And I'm finally comfortable showing you the current status of our city. It's still not nearly done. As you can see, this entire table to the left is still very raw and far from a priority right now. But the main table with the two levels is coming along nicely, and the buildings are placed and the road plates are finalized. The train tracks are beautiful, and the train yard is slowly rounding into shape. The amusement park, however, is still work very much in progress, and I'm still not sure how that portion of the upper level will turn out in the end. I'm now gonna take some shots around the city with different angles and looks on the layout. Let's start it off by the train yard. My main focus with this rebuild of our layout was to be able to run two trains at the same time to satisfy my kids, so that they don't have to fight over the remote control. You know what? Mission accomplished. I really like this look. It's very busy with 4 train tracks at the most, with this small one leading up to my custom built train shed with a full interior, of course. I'm still gonna build some more buildings. One here, and some storage, I guess it's called, right here. And I'm still working on making this cargo area a lot more significant and beautiful. So the train tracks are finalized to 100%, and I'm really happy with how things are looking. I'm kind of happy how I managed to integrate that shift into the wall. And this is my attempt of a crossing. I'm still gonna need a few more bars, of course. But in the end, I hope it will be a clean look. Today I've been working on my train station. I gave it a bit of a facelift. It's still not finalized. I'm gonna decorate it some more and add some more detail, but the main focus was to find a place for my train station which made sense, because this table, this left table, I want to be able to move it. I want to be able to separate these two tables to allow me access in between to reach these hard to reach spots. And I think I accomplished that with the train station. And this is my custom octane gas station, and as you can see, it needs some tiling. I need to order some dark bluish gray tiles for sure. I think the downtown diner looks great as a standalone building, and I found a really cool spot for it here in my city. These car tunnels, they add lots of detail, and I think they look awesome as well as the train tunnels. The rock work is solid and everything is even, and that's really hard to accomplish. Very cool strip of road plates heading down to the Parisian restaurants, and I'm gonna add these lamp posts all the way. I'm lacking a few. This is a cool shot from the other end of the layout, and I can picture it now when that table over there is done by the Ghostbusters HQ with a beach and the Ninjago stuff. And up on this level, I managed to gather some ample parking space behind these buildings, and as you can see, I'm lacking a lot of these jumper plates. I'm following a pattern in my sidewalks, so I need to order some more jumper plates as well. This staircase leading up to the upper level will need some serious TLC. I need to add a lot of more detail, and I'm also adding a big tree behind this small custom built burger joint with a fully interior, of course. I've been tinkering a bit with both my green grocer inspired building and my police station mock, and I think both buildings look better. This is my third attempt of a hospital for the Lego City Glumsfield, and I think I finally nailed it, and I'm 95% done. I'm done with the detail and the interior. I still lack a few window pieces, but that's it. And this is the emergency entrance. I'm gonna go to the other side to have a look at the front as well, of course. I'm very happy with the overall design. I was aiming for a clean and crisp look with a cool color scheme, and I think I pulled it off. You guys be the judges of that. And just as the diner, the restaurant looks stunning as a standalone building. And next up on my to-do list is rebuilding this beauty, the Glumsfield Elementary School. Adding a schoolyard, of course. These three small buildings are my only custom ones on the upper level. The left one is a small post office on the first floor with an apartment on the second. The middle one is a hardware store at the first floor and a luxury bachelor apartment on the second and third. And the right one is an updated version of my Crooks hideout, leaving 3 empty base plates for future buildings, and we are just over a month away from next year's modular building from the Lego group. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, the final video in this series of rebuilding Glumsfield, as I'm turning to do regular city updates from here on. And please leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more Lego content. Have a nice evening, everyone, and stay safe, build some Lego. Take care. Bye.